So do you also want to send Outlook emails like these to all your leads? Then this video can be really helpful for you, because in this video I'll show you how you can also send Outlook emails to new leads automatically. And for that you just need Pabbly Connect. So open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can send up to 100 of Outlook emails to all your leads for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, if you wish a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon in order to get a very good discount while purchasing the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And this discount coupon code is only for the viewers of our YouTube channel. So you can try Pabbly Connect first, and then if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription of Pabbly Connect. But this discount coupon code is only valid for yearly plans and the lifetime deals of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so yes, now we are on this workflow builder. So if you are a new user, just log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are an existing user, you can directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. And yes, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So I'm collecting the lead details using Google Ads. So I've searched for the same and I'm going to select the same. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now it is giving me a webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. And in this campaign, I'm just going to add a lead form because the connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads is going to happen using this lead form only. And as you can see, I've added this lead form, and in this lead form, I'm just going to select the details which I want to capture of my lead. After doing this, we just have to scroll and go towards this lead delivery option, and now it is asking for the webhook URL. So you have to paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. For the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same. And now we're going to send this lead an automated Outlook email, but we're not going to send them manually but by using Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now over here, if you want to create this automation only for the real leads, then you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead. But this time I'm just going to create this automation using the test lead details only, and it is going to run perfectly fine for the real leads too. So if you want, you can use this technique too. Now click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Microsoft Office 365. So let's search for Microsoft Office 365 and select it right over here. For the event, you have to select it as send email and then click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Microsoft Office and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Microsoft Office 365. Once we click on this, we have to choose our account right from here. If you haven't logged in your account, first log in your account and then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this accept and your Microsoft Office account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the subject, so I'm just going to enter the subject something like this, which is thank you for reaching out, let's grow your business. And now for the content type, I'm just going to keep it as plain text. If you want, you can definitely keep it as HTML and enter the body content in HTML too. Now for the body content, I'm just going to simply copy this whole mail and I'm just going to paste it right over here. Not only this, what I'm just going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to correct the formatting and then I'm just going to enter the name of my lead in this mail. But over here is a hack. We are not going to enter the lead's name manually by typing it, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So that's the reason I'm just going to map this name, because this name is going to change with every new response. The rest of the details will remain same. And same goes for the to recipient. We're going to map the lead's email address right over here. So I'm just going to look for it and map it. Now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this mail. So let's open our Outlook and we're going to refresh the sent items. And you're going to see that we have successfully sent this mail right over here. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever Amazon is going to receive a new lead, an automated email, something like this will be sent towards my lead. And yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. Go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.